never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what? I just fall back. I don't have the time to be giving out my time. Haters trying to dim my light, cause they know I'm about to shine. When they say I'm not hot, now you know you niggas lying.
What's up, y'all? I'm Kadijah Nicole, and welcome to my channel. So, spring is finally here, and y'all already know what that means. Spring cleaning. Before we even get into this video all the way, I want to give a huge shout out to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. They are literally my best friend now because they're helping me organize my life, make room for new pieces. Real quickly, you can keep the video playing. I want y'all to go ahead, scroll below to the description box, and click my link to go ahead and download your Poshmark app. Because listen, you're gonna find something on the app that you like. You might find something from my closet that you like. Let me plug my name real quick. My name on the app is _Kadijah Nicole. Once you're on the app, like, you're gonna be searching stuff and you ain't even gonna be able to stop searching. You're just gonna keep scrolling and scrolling. On the app, you can find luxury things: Nike, Adidas, Coach, Michael Kors, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, you know what I'm saying? Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing. All of that is on there for super affordable prices, like up to 90% off, y'all. Like, I'm putting y'all on game. However, if you are already hip to the app, go ahead and comment your closet below so I can check y'all's out and follow y'all. I also want to mention that it's not just clothes on the app. They have shoes, accessories, swimwear, wigs. Like, they got a lot of different stuff on there. Not just for women. If there's some guys out here watching this video, if there's some kids out here watching this video, they have stuff for men, children, so the whole fam can shop on the app. If you're anything like me, I love shopping from sites like this because I like to look for things that are vintage or things that a lot of people aren't wearing. I love being able to find something that everybody ain't got. So it's actually super easy to use, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my closet. So this is my closet, and as you guys can see, I have 28 listings right now. And right here, you can see some of my wigs that I have up now. It has the price, my title for it. You can like it if you want to like it and like come back to it later. If you're thinking about purchasing something, you can comment under the post, try to negotiate with the person if you want to, you know, try to get a better price. You can make bundles on the site and bundle two different things together. You can share a post. Like, it's so many nice things you can do on here. So here's just, you know, what's on my site. I have some swimsuits here, as you guys can see, and then I have some clothing pieces and some shoes. So I wanted to go through some of the pieces that are on my closet. A few of my wigs, I have 5 of them up there now. It's so bright, and I dyed this myself. It's a nice ginger type color. This hair is actually Indian, I mean not Indian, it's Italian yaki, so it's like more similar to natural hair or like textured hair, but as you can see, it's straight and really good. Look how flowy. I want to show you one of these curly ones I have. I really like this wig actually, but I have another one that's closely similar to it because, as you guys know, I do review wigs. I don't need all these wigs. This one is like really nicely curled, as you guys can see. And I believe the hairline is pre-plucked. And this is like a nice wig, y'all. This one I didn't even really wear. Another wig I have up in my closet is this blonde and chocolate brown here. This is Sierra Inspired, and it's a silky straight texture, as you guys can see. And I don't know if I said it, but all of this hair is human hair. None of these are synthetic or anything like that. So you're gonna get some good wigs. So moving on, I want to share some of the swim pieces I have, and I'll actually link below the lookbook I had for these swimsuits. You can see what they actually look like on me and like to see how it would fit on you. So this one here I didn't wear because it was too big for me. It's a large, but y'all, this is cute. Like, snakeskin is in this season, and then the top is just a cross bandeau, and it does have padding in it, and it did come with a choker, but like I left in the description on my closet that you can't get this over your head. Like, do y'all see? Unless you got like a baby little head, like a little peanut head, this ain't gonna go over your head. You can undo the seams and like put a zipper in it maybe if you know how to sew, or put some snaps in it. I'ma still leave it with there because that's how I got it. Another swimsuit I have in my closet, I really like this swimsuit. This is a pretty popular swimsuit. This olive green. Would these be considered thong? Well, they kind of are, but they're cheeky. There we go, they're cheeky. And then it's this top here with this like wire below. I have this on my site too. Not on my site, in my closet. What's else? You guys are definitely just gonna have to go check out my closet to like see everything. And here's another one, yellow. Like, this is super cute. And this is really different because it's like bottoms with the, what are these called? I don't know. It's the little straps that, you know, go up, and then it has a bandeau top that goes with it. So as far as shoes in my closet, I have these here, the sock shoe trend, you know, that was really big. Originated from like Kanye's line. So like these are like sock material and they just flop like that. But you know, once you put them on, it sits better. But yeah, it has this clear chunky heel. And then I have these olive green shoes. These are really cute. Little belted ankle strap, single sole heels. I think there's like a 4.5 inch heel. Real cute. I didn't really wear these that much. I don't even know if I wore these at all. Probably like once. Like, peep the bottom. It's not even really dirty. I have these snakeskin heels. Like I told y'all, snakeskin is on trend. These are really cute. Single sole heels. Y'all, I love single sole heels because they're just so easy to wear. Now, as far as my clothing pieces, this piece here is a jumpsuit, which I got from Charlotte Russe. Looks like this with the detailing on there. And the material is really nice. I think it's so pretty too, especially for the springtime coming in the summer. Little flowy legs on the bottom. I have this like faux pleather leather skirt, like a mini skirt. The zipper that's going down, kind of asymmetrical, it is functioning. And then also this zipper right here on the side is functioning. It's an actual pocket. However, this little flap right here, this isn't the actual pocket, it's just detailing. And I have this dress that's from Fashion Nova. Has honey on it with some little flare sleeves. It's ribbed type of material. Now this is a size small, but it kind of fits like an extra small. And I did leave that in the description on my closet to let y'all know. I have another dress from Fashion Nova. This material is really nice as well. A nice eggplant burgundy type of color. It has this knot detailing in the middle. And then it has a little slit on the side. And this dress is short. Like, I'm gonna let y'all know this dress is short, but it's really cute. It definitely ain't a piece to be, you know, lit up in the club. This is when you go in there to look cute. Like, I'm bougie, I'm getting like drinks, I'm gonna stand here and be cute, you know what I'm saying? So you will have to go on the app and check out my closet _Kadijah Nicole to see the rest of my pieces. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you definitely go ahead and download the app. I will have the link below in the description, and check out some bomb pieces. Like I said, you can find things for up to 90% off. Luxury pieces, Coach, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, or even very trendy sites like Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, Zara. They got all that type of stuff on the site. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Right after that, make sure you hit the notification bell so that you are instantly notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And with all of that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.